Hi friends, good evening. Hoping and expecting all are safe and fine. Uh, Today's topic I'm going to discuss, that is the institute will conduct online examination or not, and what is the situation at present. Day before yesterday, our ICMI president, they have informed that they will conduct the examination for foundation and CAT examination through online. So after that onwards, all are worried that what will happen for inter and final, and is it sure they will conduct online examination. When they kept proposal, that time I had made one video that they are going to conduct online examination and it won't be cancelled in September month. So many students ask me how you are so sure that they will going to conduct the examination, because that time I have received I received one message from some institute members that they will conduct, because whatever the online requirement and whatever the softwares and all, for that they given that contract to one software company, so they are moving towards that much faster. So obviously they will take the online examination. That I had in the mind, okay, they are going definitely going to take online examination at this point, or whatever September and December the situation is same, might be they are going to take the examination. That's what I told. Okay, they are going to conduct the examination, and as per that, now 2 days back president also informed that they are going to conduct the online examination for foundation and CAT, which the question paper will be objectives. So this is the situation for foundation and CAT. Now the situation, they will release the notification soon, as per their clarification they told. So now the question is, what about the inter and final? Will they conduct the online examination? If yes, how they will conduct, and whatever the problems we will face and whatever the situation. The question is, there are many difficulties if they are going to conduct online examination. Otherwise they have to change the pattern first of all, because if we are going to give for inter or final examination, that time the question paper is not only for MCQs. There are a lot of questions like essay kind of questions, and each and every time we have to type. If something missing, it is not like a page we have to scratch and go to the next level. No, we have to type and go. So there are many questions will arise. If they are conducting online examination for inter and final, how they will conduct, whatever the situation is. They are keeping only MCQs for inter and final, or they were changing the question paper, or they are conducting the same. There are many questions we will face. So I think institute, if they are taking such kind of a decision, might be they have thought a lot of things. Whatever I am thinking, we are thinking, okay, what questions will come, or even village students, how they will attend if who student don't have Android phone or laptop, how they are going to conduct. There are many disadvantages and there are many advantages for online examination. Due to this pandemic, they have taken such decision, but at present this decision is I think it's the better one, because there is no option. We no need to follow other institute or cancelling the examination. Let's see whatever the new resolution is coming and whatever the new steps into institute taken, that we should welcome. Because last so many days, whenever they started, they kept the proposal, all are in confused. Online examination, more than confusion, there much of scare how we will going to exam and how we will tackle to the technical way. The first of all, I just suggest you guys, why you are fearing for the technical approaches, because we know how many technologies changing, and our institute at this point, they are taking some different decisions. Means might be it is good only because we lot of small we in the member level or student level, we are thinking there are a lot of members, and obviously they had discussed these issues and they have taken decision. So try to welcome it. It is a difficult because it is a first time. When we given the GST exam, that time also we are giving first time, we are scared more. But that examination, whatever the question paper we saw, that question paper was damn easy. So such kind of a way we will see online how they will conduct. It is a first time, we will face lot of problems, but it doesn't mean we no need to accept the digitalization. Digitalization is the best way now. Pandemic is going on, later lot of problems will become, might be there are a lot of problems we'll face. So I think instead of taking negative approach, we can go through the positive approach. As per our suggestion, we can take as a positive way. Let's see instead what they will give the instruction, how they are going to conduct the examination. First, they are doing trial and error on foundation and CAT basis, because that is they will release for MCQ question paper only. So let us see in the inter and final what way they will conduct. We have to wait. So I think whatever the questions we will face, might be they also have in their mind. So let us see in the institute, in the notification they will release soon, whatever the situation as they discussed or as they scheduled in September. Might be they will conduct in that way only, through online or offline, through mobile or laptop or through any other center. We can go and we can give the examination. Whatever the situation might be, they will instruct us. Till that we have to wait. And my conclusion for this, instead of pointing the institute, instead of telling that institute taken the big bad decision or this, instead of that we have to take in positive way. Try to make your mindset, we are going to write the online examination and this is the one opportunity we are making ourselves a change. Or let's see whatever the experiment, because it is a new only, the whatever experiment will happen, whatever the consequences will come, might be they will understand. If it is going good, might be they will conduct. If it is not going good, might be they will take decisions. So instead of taking our own decision or getting panic, better we have to sit and study and give the examination. Let accept whatever as the time basis, whatever they are changing, try to accept it. And instead of pointing any other things, we have to sit and study. That is the best way, because when our ICMAI institute released the MCQs, after that some other institute also following the same, they also took in their question paper MCQs. So whatever our institute will take decision, might be they will think 100 times and then only they will take. So let's welcome this online exam, whatever will go. Let's see whatever the problems will come. If you have any doubt or queries, try to message me in the comment box. Let it is more difficult, we'll try to make the mail, we'll try to convince. If it is in a very bad way, if it is good way, try to accept it and support the institute. Let's see what will happen. I think it will go good only. So try to make your mindset good and positive way. All the best guys, take care, bye bye.